Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to clear application change on SoundCloud application. So how to clear application change on SoundCloud application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the SoundCloud app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. And it appears like this. Tap Basic Settings menu. And tap Clear Application Change. So that's it, tutorial how to clear application change on SoundCloud application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.